So here we are, Cosby Knob Shelter. We made it, or I made it, in about an hour and a half. Well, actually no. I started at 1 o'clock and it's 3:30. So, but you can see the snow. I mean, there's a good few inches on the ground here. It was a real bear getting up to this place from the parking lot. The parking lot's at 2,100 feet, and right now we're at, well, about 4,520 feet. And from the parking lot up to the Appalachian Trail, man, it is just it's a booger. And then it really doesn't get a whole lot easier once you get on the Appalachian Trail. This section of the AT is pretty rugged, and the snow really didn't help. It was kind of interesting. I was warm, really warm, coming up Low Gap, and man, once I stepped onto the AT, it was literally like walking into a freezer. Unbelievable. I'd say it's probably about 26, 27 degrees. But we're here for the night. We're going to make the best of it. They've got the tarp down. I'm going to get some wood gathered up, and we'll have a good night. Nobody else is staying here. It's just me, so I got the whole place to myself. So I can sit around in my underwear if I want to by the fire, and we'll have a good night.